If you want to manage dynamic island live alert capsules in OnePlus 13, first we need to open a settings on our device. Scroll down looking for notifications and quick settings, then we can enter live alerts right here. There's multiple different settings that you can adjust, but what it does is basically sends notifications in the area where you have your front camera, as shown in this animation right here. Then you can click on it to instantly pop open a source of that notification. We can then scroll down and adjust those settings. For example, there's a tap a capsule to open a app or view a card. There's also system services that can send those notifications like music playback, game timer service, game update service, personal hotspot, and screen recording. And on the bottom, there's also be intrusive live alerts that you can activate or deactivate. And that is basically everything.